Hi everybody, and my channel is John of Finland and my name is John. And if you are first time, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell and share my channel and share my videos with your friends. But this time what I'm gonna talking to you is Bachelor of Healthcare Paramedic Nurse Full-Time Studies. And this is 240 credits. And this is same time like joint application. Next enrollment dates is 8th of January 2025 between 22nd of January 2025. But this is separate application and you have to do separate application for that. Only joint application if you are qualified earlier in Finland. If you have the diploma in Finland, then you can do joint application. But if you are outside of Finland, your application or previous certificate, you have to do and go through separate application. But I gonna turn this website for you now. So school is Lab University of Applied Science, and studies is that Bachelor of Healthcare Paramedic Nurse Full-Time Studies in Lappeenranta. And I have earlier done some video about Lappeenranta, but this time this is about Paramedic Nurse. And you can see introduction here about the studies and information about studies here more. And paramedic nurse and expert in acute healthcare. And in Finland, example, paramedic nurse is working in hospital, operation room and first aid, and also in ambulances. Myself, I know few paramedic nurses who work in ambulance. They also can work many other kind of places. They can work primary healthcare, specialist nursing, outpatient emergency care, social care, and also entrepreneur they working. And this diploma you can work in Finland, but also abroad, at least in European Union and European Economic Area accept this degree automatically. And when this is paramedic nurse and diploma is Bachelor of Healthcare and credits are 240, it's including also nursing studies. Nursing studies is 210 credits and this paramedic nurse is 240. So then your working possibilities are a little bit wider. And here you can read about application process via study info and context of assessment criteria and methods and how to apply is here. That's said if you have finished qualification, then it's joint application. If you have completed your degree outside Finland, then it's lab separate application. You have to pay tuition fees. You can see also these ones here, and you can go a little bit down here and see more information on this school. So we can go directly here about information about studies. They're just talking that about duration is about 4 years, and language is English and location Lappeenranta campus, and I have also made video about Lappeenranta Lab campus, and they explain here objectives. You can get to know self-view and read this more sharply. And study context: paramedic nursing studies, theory, practical exercise, ambulance training, and nationwide paramedic exam. General nursing studies are included in the degree program, like I said earlier. Tuition fees is here about, and they're talking about this program is €8,000. Apply for scholarship is like 50%, so it's quite good discount, I could say. And there you see structure of studies. They always tell you how many credits, what competencies are, and clinical training is 75. And remember, Lappeenranta is not so big city, so probably you have to go to training somewhere else in Finland, ambulances or hospitals, and example Helsinki, or I always recommended some good cities where is university hospitals in Finland, like Helsinki, Turku, Tampere, Kuopio, or Oulu cities you can find probably better because they have big hospitals also there. And qualification, language instruction, and you will learn also finish your studies. And Finnish and English language are used at clinical training and thesis. This is including always university applied science studies in Finland. And international relation is this, and cooperation with other parties, research focus, and career opportunities. A little bit earlier talking about it. And will also receive partial of healthcare nursing, which will expand student career opportunities for various nursing positions. And postgraduate study opportunities form of study, and they will explain also this goal here story. The top 5 reasons to study in Finland, the reason to choose Lab University of Applied Science. And here, when you read about application process and apply at study info, when this application period opens, you click example here or go directly www.studyinfo.fi. But when we click here, this go directly this page. And here you can see Lab University of Applied Science and the studies, and they talking about these basic things here. Tuition fee, non-EU European citizen is that €8,000. You can always get quickly more information here. And here, apply for 50% scholarship is possible after the first academic year. To able use given option, you must be able to study full-time during the first academic year, meaning that you must complete minimum of 60 credits of studies that are included in your personal study plan. So everybody make personal study plan. They explain here a paramedic nurse. You will help patients who are suddenly ill and need urgent care. And here example I will show you. There is joint application, but this joint application prior education is just who have graduated or diploma in Finland or this couple European diploma, and they have only study places for who apply Finnish degrees is only 5, and is admission criteria here and separate application with the same time. You can see here foreign upper secondary qualification or example places of study is 40, so it's much more places. And you can read here admission criteria and fill application form when this open. And you can more read here this information. Admission criteria is here. And they have these groups because everybody always asking this English language. Example, it was here somewhere. Applicant with upper secondary education complete outside of EU area. Example, high school diploma and language test result are group 1, and this second group, this is rarely. I think that this education here applicant with upper secondary education completed outside of Finland but EU area is not this one who are outside. This one example, group 4, applicant with upper secondary education complete outside of Finland. Instead of language proficiency test, applicant have completed their upper secondary degree at least bachelor or master degree in English and an institution located in the following countries: an EU or European Economic Country, or Australia, South Africa, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, or the United States. So these people no need to show that the language test. Read carefully this end of these things here. But they mention example here EL test. What is general? Quite many education here they ask. Please check out whole things before applying. But I wish that you enjoyed this video, and please put comment the section, and if you like it, or thumbs up if you want to hear something next time, some other videos. And it will be always nice to hear which country you are from. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.